nakay Kuya Mark. Sinasakay ka ng Home to Kuya Mark. Good first. Three. Gonna move over. The very to the left. The Jeffrey rebound. Set them home, eh? Good. Cyrus. Lorenzo. Didi. Leo. Pasok na card. Papasok ba? Wala. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Justin. Ready. Ilalim. Pass to number 9. The inside. The Cyrus. Sa ibaba. 41 seconds. Namahome. Good for that game. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. For 3. Pass. Main time. 7 minutes. 38. Sa ilalim. Ayun. Lorenzo on the move. To Vince. 2 points. Amahome for 2. Wala. Ito ang in favor of Team Lorenzo. Richard for 2. Bang! 22 seconds on the shot clock. 2. Revenjo. To Carl. Push. Remaining time po natin, exactly 4 minutes. Carl. Walang. Cyrus for 3. Bang! Remaining time po natin. 2 minutes, 14 seconds. Kuya Mark sa ilalim. Good for 2. By the team. Wop, diretso. Kaya. Ano pa sa
15 seconds at lang.
15 seconds shot clock, pwede. Wala. Two sa Mahome. Pedro ulit. Wala pa rin. Good for her. Two sa Mahome sa ilalim. Good for 2. Pass to Jeffrey. Remaining time. 4 minutes. Di wala. Nagasiyan. Philip Pakatang. Richard. For 2. Favor of Team Renzo. Steal. Tama Mahome. Sa ilalim. 2 points and 3 minutes 17 seconds. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock natin, 17 seconds. Jeffrey on the move. Isa pa. Cyrus. Bang! Jeffrey. Papasa. Kay Kuya Renzo sa ilalim. Good for 2 seconds remaining time. Richard for 3. Bang! 56 seconds remaining time. Sa ating battle for third is Team Renzo. The score of 112,